Many astronauts have stated that they felt the overview effect, that cognitive shift in awareness when we see how fragile our Earth really is. When we see land with no borders, we realize how divided we've really become. And when we see our planet in all of its brilliance against the darkness and emptiness of space, it really is a call to action.
Feather handles coming out.
Virgin Galactic is ushering in this new space age in a quite spectacular way. We're offering the opportunity for hundreds, thousands of people, non-professional astronauts, to see the Earth from space.
You're clear to unstrap.
When we reached apogee and I saw the curvature of the Earth, I just couldn't believe I was in space looking back at our amazing planet. I instantly thought that so many more people need to see the same thing that I'm seeing at this very moment.
My jaw dropped and I literally gasped, "Oh, the limb of the Earth!" But the experience is timeless, spiritual, transformative. My worldview has done nothing but grow more hopeful and certain and secure since I experienced the curvature of the Earth from space.
It's a powerful feeling, and it doesn't happen all at once. It happens during the flight, after the flight, months after the flight. I'm still reflecting, and I still feel the impact of that moment of seeing Earth from space today.